Hi, my name is Taba. Through this video, I will elaborate HLOOKUP. Let us start with the definition. What HLOOKUP is? So, by definition, we will see HLOOKUP is a function in MS Excel which is being used to look for a value in the top row of a table or array of values and returns the value in the same column from a specified row. Now, we will see the syntax. It says HLOOKUP bracket lookup value table array row index number range lookup. If we will simplify this, we will see the syntax is HLOOKUP bracket value to be found table reference row number of the table and exact match or closest match. If we will compare this HLOOKUP, so HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP are similar, but there is a difference that in VLOOKUP we are finding the value vertically, while in HLOOKUP we are finding value horizontally. So let us do some practical example in Excel sheet. We have some data. If we can see, there is a row. This is a table array. This table contains date-wise data of some students x1, x2, x3 to x10, and these are the marks on daily basis for some test. And now we will try to find out what is the mark for x1 on 4th of January 2016 and 20th of Jan 2016. The same for x5. So here, as per the definition, we will try to find the value from the row. So here we see that the date 4th, the value for x1 is 88 and on 20th the value is 67. So let us try to use the formula HLOOKUP lookup value. So the lookup value will remain the same. x1 table array. So here is the table array, and we will use the absolute reference. Now the row index number. So this was the first row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. The date 4th is on the 5th row. We will take the value 5 and then 0 for the exact match. Here, if we will see, the value is the same as 88, like we discussed earlier. So we will try to do the same for x5. If we will see, the value for x5 is 7. Now again we will try to use this formula for date 20th. We will use HLOOKUP, the lookup value, that means x1 here, table array from date to x10. Use the absolute reference to make it constant, then the value row number. So here from first, second, third, fourth, the 21 is the row number for date 20, and use the exact match for 20. So here we see that 67 is the value for x1 and 48 is the value for x5. We are using very less HLOOKUP in normal life, but HLOOKUP is very important, and I hope this video clears the doubt regarding the HLOOKUP. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my video, share it and like it.